Hey guys, cheers, wobbly. But hey guys, welcome to the business world. I'm gonna talk extremely fast because I don't have my Sony Vegas, so I can't edit anything out. That's why you don't see the title or SAP TV logo. And at the same time, I gotta do work. It's getting kind of late, and I have to do some work for college. But anyways, before I talk about the healthcare, I want to talk about I was gonna say my fans subscribers daydreaming. My fans subscribers because I was talking to Robert in charge of SAP TV, and he pointed out and actually even complimented me that I have over 70,000 viewers all my videos combined, and didn't hit me until he said that, and I was just like, wow. I have to make a video shout out to all my fans, subscribers, and all the people promoting me. A thank you, because without you guys, I wouldn't have over 70,000 viewers. Um, as a person who makes videos once a month, not as daily as Sexy Phil, or not high tech or entertaining, where I talk about Twilight or I don't know, I know what's popular, Lady Gaga and Beyonce that new music video, which is kind of crazy. But since I talk about business politics, I know I'm not getting many subscribers and viewers as other YouTubers, especially I do it once a month. It's gonna be really hard, but I'm able to generate over 70,000 viewers, and I just want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you to Black Talk Media, Black Talk Radio, Entrepreneur Magazine, Word Eyes, obviously SAP TV, Media Inc., all the small and many more organizations and companies that support me and help me, especially you subscribers. Thank you. Anyways, let's talk about the healthcare bill. Try to look at the time because I'm trying to get everything, trying to get all my information in one little quick video. But anyways, yesterday the healthcare bill was passed on March 21st, 2010, and although a lot of people are happy and then some other people are upset, there's still a lot of things that has to get done. To answer some people's question, I'm overall kind of happy with the news, though I believe there's a lot of improvement there that needs to be done. I think this is a good step, and we need it. We just need it. I could go into more details, but I don't have enough time. But anyways, before the bill was passed, many people predicted that the stock market wasn't going to do well the next day, or some of the healthcare stocks were going to crumble and all this. And I wish I had my Sony Vegas to show you some of the clips, but I cannot. But anyways, a lot of people predicted this, and actually the result is the stocks did well. Believe it or not, it was in the positive range. Last time I checked, it was 35. It went up by 35 points. Um, and believe it or not, some of the healthcare stocks did well too. Um, Actually, most of them do extremely well. For example, HMA stands for Health Management Association, went up by 8%, and also LPNT went up by which stands for Life Point Hospital, went up by 4%. So this is which is kind of baffling because many people predicted that the stock market was not going to do well, and especially the healthcare stocks would not do well, but it actually did do well, and yeah, and it kind of proved a lot of the accusation by many people that they were wrong. But many people might say it's because of the healthcare. The healthcare is watered down and doesn't have the public option. It's not as strong it was at first, or because the Democrats made deals with the health insurance behind closed door. But overall, that's the answer and that's the result. But even though the bill is passed, many Republicans try to find ways to prevent this from being in play. Many House of Representatives, some Republicans from the House of Representatives, is trying to launch a lawsuit against the healthcare plan so it won't affect their state. For example, some states that they're fighting for is in Alabama, Florida, Nebraska, North Dakota, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Texas, Utah, and Washington. Ooh. So these are the 11 states that they're trying to prevent the healthcare bill for being effective. So if you're in the state and you hate it, then it's your day. You must. This is great news for you. But that's but I'm not sure if it's gonna work out. Uh, the probability of this lawsuit coming in play and actually working for them is very unlikely. But they want to fight for it, and they're gonna try to do it anyway, so this health care bill can be crushed. So if more links for those two news and those two information links is on the bottom on the side. I don't know where it is now, but research yourself, read it, and see see if you agree or disagree with the facts I gave you. But anyways, my question for today is: after that bill is passed, what do you are you happy? Are you pissed? Are you upset? Do you just don't give a damn? What is your opinion about the healthcare bill? What do you believe? Um, that's my question today. I know I asked you this last time, but a lot of things has been removed and added to the bill. So overall, are you for it or are you against it? Because majority of Americans are for the healthcare, are for a universal healthcare system, and for a better healthcare, especially better healthcare, and for a healthcare reform with a public option. The majority of Americans are for a public option and for the healthcare, believe it or not. And if you disagree with me, go to pollingreport.com, which actually gathers all the polls from CNN and Fox News, and the majority do want a healthcare universal healthcare system. However, a majority of them do not agree with this healthcare system. So, what is your opinion on the healthcare reform bill? And if you disagree with it, what should we do to improve it? Because a majority of Americans do want this bill, but a majority of the Americans do not like what's on the bill, or it's not, or just doesn't know what to predict, or just doesn't know too much about this thing, and it's kind of scared that it's getting rushed too quickly. So, what is your opinion? And at the same time, with all that fact, only 10% of Americans know what's actually in the healthcare bill. So, overall, what is your opinion of this? And if you disagree with it, how should we change it to make it better? Thank you. Peace out. And next video, I'll say my opinion.